Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you can move quickly. Install the Flutter SDK and add it to Path, then run Flutter version to verify. Make sure Vscode has the Flutter and Dart extensions installed. These provide templates, debugging, and hot reload. Once done, set up an Android emulator or connect a device and run Flutter devices to confirm connectivity. This ensures when you create the project, you can build and run immediately without blocking on missing tools. You now create and configure the project inside Vscode. Open the command palette and select Flutter. New project, then choose Flutter application and enter a concise snake case name. When prompted, point to your Flutter SDK if Vscode doesn't auto-detect it. Once the template finishes, open lib/main. Dart and inspect the sample app structure, widgets, main, and material app. Also set the target device in the bottom right status bar, so you can run and hot reload frequently. You finish by running and testing the app. Press F5 or choose Start Debugging in Vscode, then use Hot Reload to iterate rapidly. If the app fails to build, check common culprits first: incorrect SDK path, forgotten Flutter pub-get, or incompatible Android SDK/platform tools, and run Flutter Doctor to get diagnostic hints. Make sure to read build logs in the debug console. They point to the failing file and line. If needed, restart the emulator or reinstall packages to clear transient errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.